Yo, what's up, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. Let's see. I'm having an okay day, I guess. Just started. I took a couple weeks off of work, and so I'm just like, basically out of the last 4 weeks, I've taken 3 off. So I'm just like not in this mode anymore. So I gotta work my way back into it. But anyway, so today, talking about, so I kind of mentioned yesterday, I was reading that book, Awakening to Zero Point by Gregg Braden. And there was another concept in there I was reading the other day, and I thought it was really neat, because this is when, like, I don't know, the science and the woo-woo worlds begin to, you know, collide and merge, and it's really cool. But it's basically this property of particles in physics. So what it is that you have 2 particles next to each other, and one was vibrating at a higher frequency than the adjacent particle. So one was at like a lower frequency, one was at a higher frequency. What you'll see is that the particle of a lower frequency will try to vibrate faster and match the frequency or vibration of the higher vibration particle. So I think I explained that okay. So basically, it's like you have 2 things, A and B. A is moving fast, B is moving slow. When you put them next to each other, B tries to, you know, like match A, so it tries to speed up, right? So yeah, so kind of it reminds me of something that Dr. Wilson mentions in one of his articles. Especially when I first started the program, I really didn't understand this at all. It didn't make any sense to me. But basically, he was like, you can just work on yourself, and when you work on yourself, you'll basically help the collective. You'll help everybody. And when I read that, I was like, well, that doesn't make sense. You should probably be out there, like, you know, doing things, working with people, whatever. But if you realize that everything's a frequency, right? And you realize that there's a difference between high frequencies and low frequency, and if the objective is to be a high frequency, and then you work on yourself in a way to increase your frequency to be of a higher frequency, then your presence, you just being around other people, emphasis on being, as in a human being, right? Maybe there's something to that. You can just be, and you'll bring people up with you. You know, they'll see your energy, and they'll try to match your energy, even if they do it on a subconscious level, right? So yeah, it's just one of those things where I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, you know, especially when we're busting into the physics realm and we're busting into the woo-woo realm, and there's like an alignment, and, you know, you kind of bring it full circle. So anyway, just a cool observation and just something cool from the book. And yeah, so anyway, that's all I got. So yeah, y'all have a good day, and God bless.